A strange triangle-shaped object racing across the skies of Ireland is creating a worldwide sensation. But what exactly is the object, and is the video even real? There are lots of questions today of what the footage really shows. Nick Pope is considered an expert in this type of phenomenon. After working for years with the British military and on his own, he says that he's intrigued.
It's certainly one of the most interesting UFO videos I've ever seen. I mean, I used to work for the Ministry of Defense investigating UFOs. We used to get this sort of stuff. Usually they were just very indistinct, but this is clearly a structured craft of some kind.
It does seem to look like similar to other video. I mean, the website anomaly.com says the video looks very similar to video that was actually made for a UFO contest a few years ago. So let's actually go ahead and show our viewers this other video from anomaly.com. And again, the fact that people would say that there's a similarity there, what do you make of it?
Well, these sorts of videos are always hugely controversial, and it's very difficult sometimes to be clear. All sorts of people see a story like this, start posting things on the internet, and it makes it very difficult to get to the bottom of where and when this was taken. But there's no doubt about it, this is a fascinating thing. Now, whether it's a secret prototype aircraft, as some people have suggested, or whether it's something a little bit more exotic, I don't know. But it's certainly interesting.
And Nick, any way to doctor the video to make this? I mean, one of my producers, Gresham, was pointing out it looks a lot like the old video game Asteroids that some of us played when we were teenagers in the early 80s. In fact, there it is. Any way to sort of, I don't know, with the modern technology to sort of manipulate the video to make it to make a joke?
Yes, unfortunately, there is a lot of that. To get to the bottom of this mystery, we'd need to get hold of the original camera on which this was taken and investigate it that way. But until that happens, who knows? And
you haven't seen that original camera yet, right? Have you asked any indication that they're going to bring it to you?
I've tried to put some feelers out and get hold of it, but so far, no luck. As I say, there's a lot of controversy about even when and where this was taken. Clearly, it's taken through night vision camera, so it's showing up things that perhaps the naked eye can't see. But no, we're still trying to get the original.
Real or not, the video is a sensation on YouTube with over 100,000 hits.